Hi everyone, I'm Amelia, and welcome back to the channel where we break down wellness topics with a dose of science and just enough fun to keep you watching. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: what not to do with essential oils. Essential oils are natural, powerful, and popular, but they're also highly concentrated chemical compounds. That means if you don't use them safely, you could end up with skin burns, respiratory issues, or even internal damage. So stick around till the end. Especially tip number 5. It's the one most people think is safe, but it's actually the most dangerous. Ever tried to detox your body by drinking a drop of essential oil in your water? Yeah, you might want to hear what your liver thinks about that. Let's get into it. Don't apply essential oils directly to skin without dilution. Essential oils can be up to 100 times more potent than the plants they come from. Applying them neat, or undiluted, is one of the most common mistakes people make. Scientific insight: essential oils like cinnamon, oregano, and clove contain phenols, compounds that can cause chemical burns, allergic reactions, and even long-term sensitivity. What to do instead? Always dilute oils in a carrier. Oil like coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond. A safe ratio for adults is about 1 to 2% dilution. That's around 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Quick joke: think of carrier oils like the bread in a sandwich. Would you eat mustard by the spoonful? Exactly. Let the bread do its job. Don't ingest essential oils unless directed by a professional. Essential oils are natural, but that does not mean they're safe to eat or drink. Scientific support: according to toxicologists, ingesting essential oils can overwhelm your liver and kidneys, which have to process those concentrated compounds. Plus, certain oils are highly toxic internally, like eucalyptus, wintergreen, and tea tree. Even 1 drop of wintergreen oil can be the equivalent of drinking 20 aspirin tablets. Yikes. Bottom line: never ingest essential oils unless you're working with a certified aromatherapist or clinical professional trained in internal use. Don't use essential oils around pets or infants without research. Your lavender diffuser might calm you, but it could be harmful, even fatal, to your cat or dog. Scientific insight: animals process chemicals differently. Cats, for example, lack a specific liver enzyme to metabolize many essential oil compounds, especially phenols and terpenes. Oils like tea tree, peppermint, and citrus are particularly toxic to pets and may cause breathing problems, vomiting, or worse. Same goes for babies under 6 months. Their skin is too thin and sensitive to handle even diluted oils. Tip: always check pet-safe essential oil guidelines and ventilate your space well when diffusing. Don't over-diffuse or use in unventilated rooms. Ever walked into a room and been hit with a wall of peppermint vapor, like you just entered a candy factory? That's not aromatherapy. That's chemical overload. Science says prolonged inhalation of essential oils in a closed space can lead to headaches, nausea, dizziness, and in extreme cases, damage to the lungs. The ideal diffusion time: about 30 to 60 minutes in a well-ventilated area. Also, avoid using diffusers near people with asthma, epilepsy, or respiratory issues unless cleared by a doctor. Joke break: you want a calm atmosphere, not an accidental gas chamber. Don't assume natural means safe for all. Here's the big one: just because something is natural doesn't mean it's safe for everyone all the time. Allergic reactions, photosensitivity, especially with citrus oils, hormonal effects, like with clary sage or fennel, and interactions with medications are all real risks. For example, bergamot can cause burns in sunlight. Fennel oil may affect estrogen levels and interfere with hormone-sensitive conditions. Rosemary oil can trigger seizures in people with epilepsy. Golden rule: always do a patch test. Research your oil thoroughly, and when in doubt, consult a professional. To recap, here are the 5 essential oil mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Don't apply oils undiluted. Number 2. Don't ingest them without expert guidance. Number 3. Don't use them around pets or babies without checking safety. Number 4. Don't over-diffuse or use in unventilated areas. Number 5. Don't assume natural means risk-free. Used correctly, essential oils can support your wellness routine beautifully. But like any powerful tool, they require respect, knowledge, and care. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips backed by science, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And hey, share this video with those friends who puts essential oils in everything. Yes, them. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.